dunnhumby are a world-leading customer science company. We work with some of the world's largest retailers. We analyse their data, we apply insights of that data to reward and personalise the experience for consumers. We aim to do that for around 1 billion customers. dunnhumby are focused on direct marketing to customers. We wanted to engage with customers digitally, so we needed to take our dunnhumby science and start activating that in the digital channels, so web, mobile, in-store. We wanted to talk to people while they're online, millions of people at a time, and understand what they like, what they don't like, and personalise their shopping experience as they shop.
The quantity of calls that we would be getting could be 10,000 transactions per second, and to be able to deal with that kind of volume of traffic at scale robustly in any market is going to be a challenge for anyone. We turned that around in just a few months lead time effectively to be able to scale that entire end-to-end process. That would have been an enormous headache, but we don't have to worry about it right now because we use Azure and we have response times under 30 milliseconds. So that's an incredible thing to be able to deliver.
More people are interacting with digital devices. We can help them shop quicker, we can inspire them with new products, and we can also remind them what they've forgotten at the checkout. That delights customers, and that does transpire into bigger shopping baskets, and for larger retailers, increased revenues of millions of pounds.
Our competitors in this space, they're able to implement their science on their own platforms, but what they're not able to do is closed-loop measurement. So Azure is not only able to serve up the recommendations akin to our competitors, but it's able to manage that data back into our measurement applications so that we can make sure the media exposure is optimised for the customer. And that's what differentiates dunnhumby from other competitors.
With Azure, you're not locked in to just use Microsoft technology. I love the fact that there's now HT Insight, so you can use Hadoop. I love the fact that you can support Linux, and we use all of that stack. But I also love the support you get around Azure. So one of the downfalls that we've learned using open source is sometimes it can be a little bit harder to find a solution when there's no documentation or proper support around it. So we totally understand the value of having Microsoft behind some of these technologies who can support and help us when we need it.
Delivering recommendations in milliseconds to customers on the other side of the world requires an end-to-end process which is gigantic. If we had to build that entire thing, we'd be here forever. We can concentrate just on the delivery end, and that's the really important part for us because that's where we can add the value. Microsoft takes care of the rest.